Hello everyone, just wanted to post up a video of some of the activities that were done today and some that were done the other day when Dominic was over. We ended up probably did post already in a different thread that we did get the console to fit in with the parking brake console, how to do a little bit of movement. We're having trouble with the vacuum going to the HVAC control. That is going to be addressed on Sunday as Dom is coming back over. But today, what I did, and just wanted to bring it to your attention, especially people who have never done this or thinking about doing it for the first time. And it's possible that since these are not all original parts, that has to do with some of the issues I had. The door sills, I ended up getting these on Marketplace. I got a great buy on these. I kind of fell into it. I got paid $29 for a pair. So the gentleman wanted to get rid of them, and that was his price, and he was local, so that worked out. So I installed this today, and I know we don't have the seating yet, but the reason I did it is because of the carpet. This is new carpet, as we know. It could be a little bit thicker than what was in the car, and that may be causing some of the issues that I may have had. And I think they're solved now. At least I hope they are. Not saying this is the right way to do it, wrong way or whatever, but this is the way I did it. Now, we all heard of Bubba. Now, I don't want to say I did a Bubba. I'm going to say I did a Tubba, because I'm going to point out all the things, whether they're good, bad, or indifferent, but it's just what I had to do. Getting this kick panel in is a real bear, especially with the carpet. I had to move the carpet back, trim the carpet down around in this area to fit underneath. I still have to let me see if I could get in here. I still have to work on this area here where the high beam switch is, but obviously nobody's really going to see it that much, but I'll try to do it as best as I can so it fits and it looks like it should be. But the problem I was having is right in this area here. And as you will see in some of the pictures, I'll see if I can come down here. That was not fitting correctly. So I had to get the Dremel out and trim this down along here and along here to have this fit. Now, I don't know if the aftermarket parts are, maybe their dimensions are a little bit different and the length or whatever. But here's the problem that we had. Many months ago, Dominic and I replaced these diverters because they were really messed up. And also, the door sill plates were kind of shot. So again, these are all aftermarket. Today when I did a trial fit, I couldn't fit this in right because of this piece here, the kick panel piece. And I moved it up as much as I could. So again, I used the Dremel to cut and finally got it in. As you can see, it's all screwed down and it's not coming back up. Now, some may have put their seats in first before they do the trim, but I felt this was the best way to accomplish this, is to get this in first and obviously get the seat in after. So that's where we're at. But, and again, nobody's going to notice it, but right in this area here, as you'll see in some of the pictures I'll post up, it's not totally flush. And again, right here, it's down. The screws caught, and they're all screwed down, and they're secure. So that's where we're at, and progress being made. All right, enjoy the weekend, everybody. Catch you later.